Bharadwaj is going to express his feelings on account of this graduation, convocation, presentation. Come on, Bharadwaj.
Respected correspondents, directors, teachers, parents, and my friends, good evening, and a warm welcome to everyone. Today is a very Saturday. As we celebrate our village graduation, we thank our teachers, parents, and school leaders for their love and support. As we step into class and Srinket and English Medium School, we are excited to learn English. Thank you all for being here. Welcome, and welcome.
ఇంతకంటే కావాల్సిందే ఉందండి. దీన్ని చూసేది చప్పట్లు కొట్టండి. మిమ్మల్ని డాన్స్ అప్పుడు రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసాం. ఇలాంటి వాటిని రిక్వెస్ట్ కూడా చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఈ చిన్నది చిట్టి చిలక పలుకు